Hello everyone, welcome to Select Star. Today I will be solving one basic SQL question that can be asked in a data analyst interview. We have been provided a table called score which has batsman ID and the runs scored by the batsman. The question is to find how many fours and sixes a batsman has hit. The script for table creation is available in the description box in case you want to first try it yourself. The solution is quite simple. We need to first create groups of batsmen and then count the fours and sixes they have hit. Let's start writing the solution. We will leave the select statement empty as of now. Then in the from clause mention table name. Now since we have to count only fours and sixes, let's put a where clause to discard all other values. I am using the in clause and or operator works equally fine. As discussed earlier, let's create a group for each batsman by mentioning the batsman ID in the group by clause. Half of the work is done here. We will move to select statement now, where we will count fours and sixes hit by a batsman. In the select clause, we will first mention the group that we have created, that is batsman ID. We will first count the number of fours, so we will need a count statement. Now, usually we mention column name inside count, but we cannot do that here because we need to count only fours. So we will use the case statement. I have written the statement. If you read this, it will be clear that when runs is equal to 4, then we will count the runs column. You could have mentioned the batsman ID column as well. The result will not be different. Since we don't want SQL to count when runs is not equal to 4, we will not give the else clause in this case statement. Let's name the column as fours and copy the whole statement for counting sixes. We just have to change the condition for sixes. I forgot to remove the comma at the end of select statement. The query worked perfectly. Batsman 1 hit 2 fours, 1 6. Batsman 2 hit 2 sixes. But if you check the score table, you will find that there are 3 batsmen. And this query has not returned anything for the third. This has happened because of the where clause. In SQL, a query follows an order of execution. A from clause is run first, then a where clause, and then a group by. Now, what happened here is that when the where clause ran, it filtered out all the rows where runs were not equal to 4 or 6. And since the batsman 3 did not hit any 4 or 6, he was filtered out, and only after that the groups were formed. We can just remove the where clause from our query to verify this. Now we can see that we have got the third batsman in the result and he has hit no 6 or 4. Let's just order it. If you are still confused about query execution, imagine that you have got this score table in an Excel sheet and as per query 1, you applied a filter for 4 and 6 runs, and since batsman 3 did not score 4 or 6, he did not show at the time of counting. Now, as per query 2, you did not apply any filter, so every batsman showed at the time of counting, and 0 sixes and 0 fours were counted for the third batsman. I hope that I was able to explain the query in a simple and easy way. This will be all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe and share your feedback in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Signing off now.